We had to replace all the carpet in our house. Our adjuster, Adam, helped us measure the total area of the house. First, we looked at the floor plan and determined that the total area of carpet was 277 square feet. Each square foot of carpet costs $7 to replace, so the total cost of the carpet is $1,939. Our family had to pay a deductible of $500. We figured that the insurance company would then write a check for $1,439 for the rest of the carpet.
Created using Powtoon.